Okay, this thing's broken. Let's see if we can fix it. It's a range hood control system. We've got a couple of lights here, and this is the fan output. Plug it in, turn it on, and nothing happens. Nothing. Alright. So it's got power to one side of the fuse, power there, other side of the fuse, power there, and then wonder where it goes. Let's disconnect it and have a look. So there's the active, brown. Alright, let's trace this out. So, active comes in here. And then comes down here. And this is the fuse. And that travels along this trace here. I wonder what this big thing is right there. Oh, yeah, that's a transformer. So it looks like it's got a 94 volt secondary. It also says 11 volts there, so I wonder what that's all about. Anyway, we won't worry about that at the moment. Looks like a capacitor. And whatever this thing is. Oh, this moves by the looks of it. What is that? Ah, it's bolted on there. Okay. Now, I don't know much about power supplies. Power goes in, power comes out. I wonder what we can test here. We can probably see if this transformer is open circuit. If we find the primary and the secondary, it looks like there's a rectifier set of diodes there. Yeah, well, let's see what we get. We'll put the meter across the windings in the transformer. Open circuit. Open circuit. By the looks of it, you would say that's open circuit. Maybe we should desolder that and have a look. Alright, let's see if that comes out now. Oh yeah, oh, it's moving just a little bit. Oh, if I cut this off. Oh, there it is, it's out. Okay. Alright. Now, let's check the primary continuity. So the primary is the one with the two legs. See, the meter's good. Continuity here. Well, it's greater than 4,000 mega ohms. Which is not good, I suppose. Let's side seems a lot less. I wonder if it's supposed to, I'm pretty sure it's just a transformer, which is just a coil of wire, so why wouldn't it have continuity at least a little bit? I type this into the internet. This mob have kindly drawn on here what transformer looks like in real life. Come on, focus. So here you can see it says AC in, and what I think has happened is this wire, see it comes in here, goes through all the curls, back out to the neutral. Well, yeah, that's the neutral, active. You can see neutral, active through the fuse. And it's just a wire that curls all around and around. So if we put the meter on that, we should get something. I typed this number into the Google, and it all just came out in Russian, so I'm gonna see if I can find an 11-volt transformer that I can buy for cheap as chips and see if we can make this work. It's too expensive, I'll just throw it in the bin and get a new one. Okay, so the internet told me to look for a little thermal fuse in this thing. So I pulled this thing off the bottom, and this is the primary winding here on this side, and you can see this side is really thick wire coming out of the post, and this side doesn't seem to have anything at all. So this little tiny thin piece of wire which I touched with my fingernail, and then it came loose like that. So either that's how it's supposed to be and they're using the thin wire as a fuse and it's blown, or I broke it with my fingernail. So we'll test between this post and this little wire that's poking out here and see what happens. And nothing. I've probably broken it. Let's try that again. Hey, look out. We might be onto something there. Might solder this back on, put it back in and see if it turns on. Let's only hope. 15 bucks for a new one of these. Delivered. Probably can get it cheaper, but that was the first one I found. Let's test it again. It's good on that side, but not this side. What's happening here? Oh, was it just my fingers that we were testing before? Ah, that was probably it. Idiot. Ah, it's still no good. Still no good. Alright, I just pulled my whole shit apart because I could have sworn I had a transformer sort of like this. Give me bugger where it went. Pull the whole place apart, it's not here anywhere. So what we're going to do is plug 12 volt DC straight into this bad boy. It should just go right through the bridge rectifier and all that, might bridges it down a bit. But from what I can work out, it should work. It should just work if we do that. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we got, oh, don't do that, stay up here. So we've got this capacitor here, and it's on the other side of this bridge rectifier, and it's got a positive and negative, so that way I definitely can't get it wrong if I wire them up to the positive and the negative on that. And we'll just inject 12 volts. Positive, negative, positive, negative. That sounds about right, doesn't it? It's got to be. Okay, we got negative, positive, and we'll put safety glasses on. Find the buttons. What happened to the buttons? Down here somewhere. That. I'm pretty sure this end one that end one is the light, so let's see what happens, I suppose. Make sure none of that's touching anything. Turn that on. Nothing blew up yet. Oh, I can hear clicks. Oh, and the LEDs are on, look at that. Lights don't work though, maybe they run off a different thing. But it's definitely better than what we were getting before. Back to the internet. Okay, so we saw that this thing worked before, but the lights didn't turn on. Now I had another think about it, and I'm pretty sure that little transformer just controls the little button circuit which turns on these relays. And I'm pretty sure that this relay here is for the lights. Though I could be wrong. I'm not even sure that is a relay. Anyway, what I'm getting at is this section here, see the power comes along here, and this whole section here works its way around out to the lights. This section here is the control for all the buttons. It goes over to the coils on all the relays, and then this is all switching to 40 volts. So in theory I should be able to plug 12 volt power supply into there, the 240 power supply into there, and we should be able to see the lights turn on and off. So let's give it a go, see what happens. Hey, look at that. On, off, on, off, on, off. Fixed. Just need a new transformer. Okay, so the good people from the internet have delivered this today. New transformer. Let's put it in and see if it fixes it. Let's see if it fits. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I gotta get rid of those as well. better. The other one had extra legs, but I don't think they did anything, so we'll see what happens. This new transformer was also 12 volts, whereas that one was 11, but shouldn't make a difference either. Alright, I think that's done. Could be a little bit better, but it'll work. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Right, hold on to your face. Oh, it didn't blow up, so that's a good thing. Whee! Look at that. All these ones work too. That's the fan speed, these three. It just switches different contactors here. So that works. On, off, on, off. Not even getting hot. Oh, I can go and put it back in. Next time, we try and fix this thing. I'll give you a clue. It doesn't work.